Tata Motors Gruhini Social Welfare Society is an organization founded by women, run by women for women, with the aim of empowering women. The objectives of Tata Gruhini is to develop the job skills of women and make them employable and economically empowered. Gruhini was established in the year 1973 with the inspiration of Mrs. Leelatai Mulgaonkar, the well-educated wife of Chief Executive of Telco, Mr. Sumant Mulgaonkar. In 1965, when Telco decided to set up a plant in Pune, a thought that can the woman from the employee's family be engaged in any work made Gruhini come into existence. 7 women from the Telco family came together and the work started under the able guidance of the wives of senior executives. All senior officials of Tata Motors have a major contribution in building the organization. All senior officers of Tata Motors at that time and all the officers in HR, ER, community development, CSR, finance, purchase have contributed a lot in the journey and the progress of the organization. In 1975, the organization was registered under the Bombay Public Charitable Trust Act. According to the type of work available, 4 verticals were set up in the year 1979. These organizations were registered under the Industrial Cooperative Society Act. As the scope of work increased, Gruhini started centers in different areas to expand and to meet the increasing demands for its products. Therefore, the number of working women increased as there was a place for work near their homes. Gradually, the concept of working in spare time disappeared and the move towards the professionalism began. Work and management were changed over time. Necessary machinery was involved to reduce the fatigue of women. The spirit of cooperation and collaboration is cultivated among the housewives as seen in the Gruhini logo.
नमस्कार, मी रेखा घोगरे, विविध कार्यकारी सोसायटीची चेअरपर्सन आणि आमच्या विविध कार्यकारी सोसायटीमध्ये साधारण 50 महिला काम करतात. मला स्वतःला मी 2003 पासून मसाला सेंटरमध्ये काम करते आणि आमच्या सोसायटीमध्ये सर्व प्रकारचे मसाले, चटण्या, लोणची आणि पारंपरिक पद्धतीने बनवलेले खाद्यपदार्थ, दिवाळी पदार्थ आम्ही बनवतो.
Hello, welcome to Tata Motors Gruhini Cable Harness Society. I am Pradnya Pandit, chairperson of this society. We have 2 centers. One is located at Tathaude and one is in colony premises. We have also two suppliers. That is, one is Motherson Sumi Wiring Harness India Limited, and another is SB Electrotech. Our total strength is 100 plus. Let us see the production line. Thank you.
Myself Lata Nair, Chairperson of Electronic Society. I am working in Gruhini since 25 years. Talking about Electronic Society, total strength is 216 ladies. We manufacture 41 types of electromechanical products which goes on electric vehicles, passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles of Tata Motors. We are IATF 16949 certified. Thank you.
मी सुचेता रामचंद्र पंचबाई, टाटा मोटर्स गृहिणी शिवणकला संस्थेची अध्यक्षा म्हणून काम करते आहे. आमच्या संस्थेची स्ट्रेंथ आहे 80 भगिनींची आणि काही बायका आमच्या घरी काम करतात, काही इथे येऊन करतात. इथे आपल्याकडे फॉर्मल शर्ट्स आणि टी शर्ट शिवले जातात. चला आपण आता प्रोडक्शन लाईन बघूया. धन्यवाद.
All kinds of benefits as per State Minimum Wages Act are provided to the members in Gruhini. Each shift here is of 5 hours duration. This allows women to contribute their best to both home and workplace. The fact that women can do something creative with responsibility is a confidence booster. Gruhini paid salary to all the members during the pandemic lockdown period. Also, financial assistance was given to 75 people who faced COVID cases in the family. COVID vaccination campaign was conducted in collaboration with Tata Motors. Tata Sons donated PPE kits during the pandemic and the Gruhini packed the kits in the centers during the lockdown period. As per WHO rules, masks were made and sold at a fair price. Trips are organized as a break from work. Mahabhodla is also performed during Navratri. Puja is performed in all units on Khande Navami. International Women's Day is celebrated with the various activities. Members enjoy fun fairs, various competitions, and sometimes commercial dramas together. Industrial Safety Week is celebrated every year in Gruhini. Various safety related trainings are conducted accordingly. Gruhini honors the members by giving the Efficient Member Award, Long Service Award, etc. 4 members of Gruhini have received the Gunavanta Kamgar Award conferred by the Maharashtra Government's Labour Welfare Ministry. Also, children of some members have achieved significant success in different fields of career. Gruhini tries to maintain social commitment as per Tata culture. Gruhini is involved in many CSR activities of Tata Motors and of its board. Various types of donations are given during the Joy of Giving voluntary week by visiting some old age home and orphanages, etc. Annual health checkup of all Gruhini members is done. Women health problems are focused and preventive tests and further support is given under the guidance of medical advisor Dr. Mrs. Jyoti Gokhale. Also, educational assistance is given to needy students. Nutritious laddus are given regularly to the members as supplementary food. The visit of dignitaries to the institution is a matter of pride for any institution. Gruhini has been visited by many dignitaries so far. So, some remarkable guests are Shri J.R.D. Tata, Mrs. Sudha Murthy, Mr. Pula Deshpande, Mr. Baba Saheb Purandare, Mr. Rahul Deshpande. Also, most of the directors of Tata Group and many foreign guests have visited the organization. It is a matter of pride that in 2019, Gruhini had golden opportunity of presentation to the board of directors at Bombay House, a flagship of the Tata Group. In Gruhini, all policy decisions are taken by the managing committee in trust meeting, giving utmost importance to the interest of organization. Also, annual general meeting of all organizations is held every year. All members attend this meeting enthusiastically.
All. I am Shilpa Desai and I'm very happy to work as the honorary chairperson of Tata Motors Gruhini for the last 4 years. I'm very proud to be associated with this organization, which was started by Mrs. Leelatai Mulgaonkar and Mr. Sumant Mulgaonkar. They started with 7 ladies, and we are very happy to say that we are at a strength of 450 today. We talk about women empowerment, but we at Gruhini have been practicing this for the last 50 years. Now our job is to increase the job available to the ladies so that we are able to employ more ladies and make an impact on the society. So now let's work towards a model to improve the sustainability of Gruhini for the next 50 years. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी सौ कविता म्हैसकर, टाटा मोटर्स गृहिणीची व्हाईस चेअरपर्सन. गृहिणी महिलांनी स्थापन केलेली, महिलांनी चालवलेली महिलांसाठीची संस्था. 50 वर्षापूर्वी लावलेल्या इवल्याशा रोपाचे आज मोठ्या विशाल वटवृक्षात रूपांतर झालेले आपण सर्वजण पाहत आहोत. यामागे गेल्या 5 दशकात गृहिणीशी संबंधित असलेल्या प्रत्येकाचे कष्ट आणि मार्गदर्शन आहे. टाटा मोटर्सचे सर्व आजी पदाधिकारी व माजी पदाधिकारी तसेच गृहिणीच्या आत्तापर्यंतच्या सर्व पदाधिकारी आणि सर्व सभासद महिला यांनी या संस्थेची मुळे खोलवर रुजवली आहेत. म्हणूनच यापुढेही या वटवृक्षाचा असाच विस्तार होईल. गृहिणीची आत्ताची पिढी आणि यापुढे येणारी प्रत्येक पिढी नेहमीच या सर्वांची ऋणी राहील. धन्यवाद.